So we continue with the chapter number 4, and our topic is erasing. And so we said this erasing is for constructive purpose, right? Meaning erasing in order to write on top of it, or we said even if you want the surface to be clean, also it's constructive purpose. Okay, and now section number 2, additional details of the prohibition. A type of the script subject to the prohibition. As mentioned above, the prohibition pertains not only to the erasing recognizable script, but in some instances erasing nondescript marks as well. In this section, we will focus on how durable an existing mark must be for the erasure to be forbidden. So, I mean, even from the beginning, we see several issues. Issue number 1 that we did not learn before, that erasing not even digits and like letters, everybody understands. Pictures, everybody understand. We spoke about it before, but now they add a new twist. They say non-descriptive marks, meaning what is non-descriptive marks? Maybe a line or something, or ink blot, right? All of these things. So meaning in some cases erasing, or we said like simple shapes also. Right, wavy line or something, right? So it's not considered really anything, right? But we're saying that in some cases it's going to be forbidden. The law governing the Melachah of erasing are related in those governing the Melachah of writing. For by definition, erasing is elimination, that which is written. Thus, it is forbidden to erase any existing marks that is of a degree of the durability that would make writing it forbidden. As mentioned in chapter 1, there are 2 levels of the prohibition of writing. Under biblical law, it is forbidden to write a lasting script. There is to apply durable pigment, such as ink, to the surface upon which it will endure, such as paper. Under rabbinical law, it is further prohibited to write with a non-durable matter, such as fruit juice, and to write upon the surface which the script will not endure, such a vegetable leaf. The same rules apply to erasing. Under biblical law, it is prohibited to erase a mark left by durable matter on a durable surface. Under rabbinical law, it is further prohibited to erase mark left on a non-durable material, as well as a mark left on a surface upon which it cannot endure. See page 43. So before that, for examples, non-durable script. Okay, so let's do this paragraph. It's a lot of information, and we're going to go line by line and explain everything. BeEzrat HaShem. And it says, the laws governing the Melachah of erasing relate to governing Melachah of writing. So as we said, yes, those are 2 separate Melachas, but in a Mishkan, they would when they would make a mistake, writing the number or letter on a plank, numbers and letters the same in Hebrew. Okay, on a plank, right? And they would erase and write on top of it another one. So writing and erasing will go hand in hand. Okay. Right, because as he said, by definition, erasing is elimination, is what is written. Okay. Thus, it is forbidden to erase any existing mark that the degree of durability would make writing forbidden. So, so same as it was in a Mishkan, they would use a pigment, right, that is durable, right? So from all of the travelers, the traveling, right, from all of the handling, right? So it would withstand all of these things, all right. and this so these letters would last for a long time. So here in this Melachah on the biblical level, what is forbidden is forbidden only when you use like surface on which people usually write, right? And plus with the ink that usually lasts. Of course, like it fades out, like but like, I don't know how long time it needs so to like for the letters to fade out. Like even if you ever seen like old books, like very old. So in one shul where they used to pray, there were books more than 100 years old. 120, 150, some of them. Yeah, I saw 1800s. All right, so all of the immigrants that brought the holy text to America. Right, it's very interesting. In this shul, where I go now, after some time they decided like to put in Gniza some like old books, and people started bringing like unbelievable. And in the shul there were very like old books. I mean, I did not know like they just would bury them. Right. I mean, to sell it to somebody, it's dangerous. You don't know who they're going to buy and what they're going to do with that book. It's very interesting. Many ancient books. Not ancient, 150 years, 200 years old, max. Okay. Thus it is forbidden. So meaning, what I'm trying to say, you see the letters, they fade out. Right? Thus it is forbidden to erase any existing mark. There is a degree of durability, so right, that would make writing it forbidden. So meaning if you cannot write, if writing is forbidden of these things, so meaning erasing is also going to be forbidden. Just one second, I'll skip a little. On like meaning on the biblical level, if you write on a paper, on wood or something, with something that is durable, under the rabbinic prohibition. So they say rabbinic prohibition means to build a fence for us, right? Meaning if it's not durable, as the example he gives, fruit juice. Right, it's not durable, and plus on surface that is not usually used for writing. I mean, how long it's going to stand there? I say maybe 5 seconds. I don't know, 1 second. I don't know how long. Maybe it's not going to stick at all. The fruit juice on a leaf, vegetable leaf. I don't know. The same rules apply to erasing. Under biblical law, it is prohibited to erase a mark left by durable matter on a durable surface. Ooh, we're talking about mark, right? Not letter or what is it? Not a letter or figure. Okay, picture. Under rabbinical law, it is permitted. It is further prohibited to erase mark left by not durable material, right, as well as a mark left on a surface upon which I cannot endure. So I mean, I think we're going to give an example, window pane, right? When somebody like a foggy window, right? So somebody would write. So it is not allowed to erase it. Okay.